Hi, everyone. Did you know that buildings are responsible for 40% of the world's emissions and half of the resources used? Now, to tackle this, world leaders have set sustainability targets for the year 2050. Our team thinks that's too far into the future. My name is Fanos, and I co-found the 2050 Materials to empower architects to design circular and climate-neutral buildings. Come hear more about us on the 30th of September at the Circular Economy National Event in Lausanne. Thank you.